Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of Dollar Tree's newest items and what you can do with those items. I'm super excited to share, so let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to be working with are these DIY disco tiles. These are new to me. I have not seen these at Dollar Tree before and I absolutely love them. I think they are super cute. They are peel and stick. I did also pick up these smaller frames, a total of 4. I'm just gonna go ahead, nice and easy, take out the backing of the frame, and then I'm gonna use the paper that was inside just to kind of guide me where I need to cut these disco tiles. And these cut really nicely because along each line you can just cut right through it, and it's nice and simple. So once we get the 4 pieces that we need, we're gonna go ahead and place them right inside of the frame, place the backing back on and close it up. We're going to do that for all 4 and they should look like this. This is going to be a little piece that I'm going to put together. I'm going to glue all of these frames together to make one piece, and I think it's going to look super cute because you can do many things with this. You can hang it up, you can stand it up because it does still have the little stand on the back. But now we're gonna glue them together, and this glue is from Dollar Tree and I do find that it works really good. I do love how fast it dries as well. So if you are wanting to pick up some new crazy glue, this one works really well. So I am using that one to glue these pieces together. I am going to have to lay them down on the table like this to get them nice and even because you don't want one lifting up higher, a little higher than the other frame. So go ahead, put the glue and then firmly press the other frame right on top of it and then lay it down so that you can ensure that it's nice and leveled and even. Then I'm going to also take that crazy glue and put some inside of the little cracks in between each frame. This nozzle of the crazy glue fits in really perfectly, so you can just squeeze some in there just to give it some extra support and make sure it's nice and put together. I'm going to do the same thing on the back, and then I'm even going to take a little piece of cardboard, add some of that crazy glue, and I'm going to press this cardboard to the back of the entire thing. This is going to hold all of the 4 frames together even more tight and ensure that it's going to stay together really nicely for long term. And I love how it turned out. I think it looks super beautiful and stunning. Just a nice simple piece that you can make for your home decor. You can use it in your bathroom, in your living room. You can hang it up, you can stand it up, whatever you want. There's multiple ways you can use this decor piece and I love it. I think it is super nice. Next up, I'm going to be taking a vase. You can find these at Dollar Tree or whatever vase you would like to use, but I just grabbed the cylinder one because it will be nice and easier to place this down and stick the disco tiles on top of this vase. I didn't like how tall it would be using the whole sheet, so I'm gonna cut it in half. Half is 15 rows of the disco tiles, so there's a total of 30 per sheet. So if you cut it in half, it's 15, and I'm going to just simply peel and stick these right on the vase to make a nice decorative vase that you can use for your home that turns out looking absolutely beautiful. And I love this idea area. This would be super cute as well for weddings or occasions if you want to create your own vases. And so it's nice and simple and easy to do. You can see here I'm just kind of using my thumb as a guide on the bottom rim of the vase just to make sure that I'm not getting it to overlap. This would be really nice as well to make a whole set of these vases with these disco tiles with different size vases from Dollar Tree. I think that would be super cute, but I love how it turned out. As you can see, it looks super pretty and really nice. And again, it was super easy to put together. It doesn't take much time at all. You can place anything you want inside of here, like some beautiful flowers, or literally just leave it like it is. Place a candle down as well, whatever you want, but I love how it looks. You have to let me know what you think. A new item that I found at Dollar Tree is this shaker to make drinks. It is in the $1.25 section. I do know that they did raise their prices, so maybe it's $1.50 now, but I did get it at $1.25. But I love this shaker and it's not bad for the price. I was thinking to grab this because I love iced coffee, so this is perfect to make my iced coffees, to shake it together. You can see how I make it here. I like to use the salted caramel syrup. That one is really good in case you haven't tried it and you like iced coffees, or even in your hot coffee you can add it as well. But this shaker is perfect to make iced coffees and I just love this for that. So you will have to go and check it out, see if you can pick one up, because you can use this obviously for any drinks that you make, and I love it. Cheers! Thank you to LabMap for partnering with me for today's video. I just had to show you this bag, you guys, because this bag is super beautiful, really well made. The quality of this bag is just outstanding and it looks super cute as well. And this is great just for just about anything for your everyday errands that you need to run. You need to throw some stuff in your bag, and if you're a person like me that you don't like purses but you like a little bag to hold some of your things, then this is perfect. This is even a great bag to go if you are traveling or camping. You have a little carry-on bag or stuff like that. I love it. You can see how spacious these pockets are. It even has a pocket in the back as well. You can fit your whole wallet inside. And you won't believe all of the different colors and styles that they have, and all of the colors are absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm not kidding, the colors are fabulous and I love them. I'm gonna have the link in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out when you are done watching my video, because I'm sure you're gonna love this bag for yourself or even to give it as a gift. But you will have to check them out because they are having a little sale right now as well, and they are super beautiful, nice quality bags that you are not gonna want to miss on. Speaking of new items from Dollar Tree, this is another new item that I came across. This is their privacy pouch, and I love this for many reasons, because sometimes we don't want to flash these out there whenever we are in public and we have to, use the restroom and take it with us and stuff like that. So this is the perfect little pouch to actually hide that and just put that somewhere more private, so you can use it for that, or you can use it as a little bag or pouch to hold your glasses, which I think is super convenient, because if you throw them in a purse or whatever you are putting them, they won't get scratched up. The cloth will protect the lens, and it's a nice little pouch to just have your glasses in. I think it's super nice, and you would have to let me know if you've seen these in Dollar Tree recently. But my friend, if you've made it this far into my video, it is time for our secret word for today. For today is going to be coffee, so comment that down below in the comment section and I will know that you made it this far into my video, and that is highly appreciated. Thank you so much for tuning in and sticking around to the very end. I really do appreciate it. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed today's content, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. And I will see you all on my next video, my friend. Take care and God bless.